Ooh, okay. Okay, so it's Saturday, boys and girls, and everything in between. It's a little late in the day already, or in the morning. It is 11:26. So a bit of a slow morning, which is nice for Saturday. So plans for the day thus far that Lila and I have planned. Gonna put the orange mobile in for a car wash now. Then we're gonna go have brunch. I guess that's what Lila brings out of me. Yes, gonna wash the car. The poor girl needs it, or she has needed it for quite a while. And then something that is also long overdue. Lila needs to buy a bicycle so that the two of us can actually go cycling together. Okay, so I already bought a super cheap, super heavy bike, which I have grown to love and hate. And yes, Lila has like some old bike from, I don't know, 1827, which is not getting the job done. So we need to buy her a bike. Then we're gonna have 3 bicycles. The responsibility will probably fall on me to sell or throw away her old bike, which is a problem for later. But anyway, so today we might actually buy Lila a bike. Well, I say we, she will buy herself a bike. I'm not spending money on that. That's her own prerogative. Them's the plans. Let's see how the day goes. Okay, something important's going on there. Anyway, there's the very beautiful Honda CR-V. And yeah, nice cheap PE prices for a car wash, 100 Rand for a full wash. We'll see the results later.
Dis is nice dat ons dit
Nice bike lineup. Oh yes, nice. What's your review of Benetton? Good.
Ek sou dit 'n 10 uit 10 gee, maar die koffie was nie vir my so lekker nie. Dis nie die koffie nie, dis die uitmelk wat hulle gebruik het.
Ek het dit baie gelike, want hulle het 'n burger gehad vir R90 met 'n wagyu patty en 'n lekker eier. Dit was 'n super lekker burger, maar glasie orange juice $68 skiet my in my gesig.
Okay, maar wat ek
en trek my liggaam deur die straat.
Okay, wat ek wou sê.
Dit was terrible, maar
wat ek wou sê is
wat Lila wou sê, maar die kamera is nie nou op jou nie. Nou is dit weer op jou.
Jy moet dit afhaal van my af.
Ja, maar dit was belangrik om te sê wat ek dink.
Wat ek wou sê is dit is nie hele koffie wat sleg geproe het nie. Dis soms met oudmelk is jy ongelukkig en dan proe dit baie
ek weet. Okay.
Val terug. En dit is hoe dit geproe het. So I'll give them a 9 out of 10.
Okay, maar die vibe is awesome, ek hou van die decoration.
Ja, very cool. Baie lekker.
Pryse is goed, die mense is vriendelik.
Baie lekker eiers gehad, ja.
Almal op binne het styl gehad. Ek het gevoel asof ek deel is van PE se upper class.
Ja, very cool.
Maar ja, die arme wit girl se uitmelk was af. So it's tragic hierso, it's tragic. Living through generational trauma.
Nee man.
Daar sy staan vir foto. Smile. Joke is 'n video. Okay, ons is nou by Builders, want al die fietsrywinkels is toe, so arme Lila gaan nie op fiets kry nie. Lila gaan ons nog vir 'n fiets gaan koop. Ongelukkig nie. Anyway, so die fiets sal nie eers môre gekry kan word, want ons is net te lank besig om te chill en kos te eet. Nou is die winkels toe. Hoekom is ons nou by Builders?
skoenrak het.
Okay, skoenrakke lyk my nou belangrik. So, nou is ons hier. Laila se skoenrakke. Sy's not convinced, sy sê dis te groot. So nou dat die skoenrakke gecancel is ons nou weer by plante. Many minutes later. So nou gekyk na seker so goeie 300 plante. En Laila het nou uiteindelik besluit op die.
Dis mooi.
Dis jou. Dit het baie lank gevat om te besluit.
Wat dink ons? Hou ons hiervan.
Ek hou van ons wat 'n besluit neem en klaar is.
Okay, ek dink dit is goed.
Cool. Guys, Laila's pregnant. Sy het 'n baba gekry. Definitief nie myne nie. Ek het niks met dit te doen gehad nie. Sorry.
Ek gaan dit kry.
Laila koop klomp nonsens. Wys jy nonsens wat jy kry? En wat se piepie is die? Lekker.
Oh, dis 'n lekker stukkie.
Kom sy arme ou se dogter kaal op 'n tydskrif. The girl is looking absolutely beautiful. What a beauty. Bright orange Honda to make everyone's day better when they see it. Prachtig. Clean. She is very clean. Prachtig. And now some for the best part, right? Favorite part of the car. Oh, ready to ride in comfort and style. Back home. Okay, so didn't get the bike, got the car washed, had a very nice brunch, got a potted plant. Laila's probably gonna go crazy with the redecoration in the apartment now, so I'm gonna stay away from that. And then we'll see. We both probably still need to exercise today, do some training. So, gonna see what we're gonna get up to. Cycling is no longer an option, which leaves us with running. But I'm not tired. And the Blue Bulls are playing against the Sharks later. And that's gonna be much more fun to watch. So we'll see what happens now. Okay, it has come to this. Dis nou Sondag, hoe laat? 1 uur. Ons moet gaan hardloop. Ek sien op Strava hoe almal anders hierdie naweek baie active is. En hier is mense wat die Kamerads hardloop. En meanwhile sit ek hier op die couch. So. Ons gaan nou geraan word in redelike koue weer. Ons die plant hulle baby. Yeah, weather is not great, but we'll get out there. Mooi.